I know that there are times where I hit walls mentally, whether it's creatively, writer's block, sometimes financially, and everything is at its limit, at a breaking point, and you're tapping into the accounts that you're not supposed to touch, and you get through all of it and say, we'll survive, we will survive. And particularly today, I'm thinking about the time where there's a shipwreck and these prisoners are on this ship and they're stuck on this island. But that part of the story that grabs me is not so much them getting to the island and the fire. It's a great story. You have to read it when you have some time. In fact, it's there in verse 43 and 44 that it says, the centurion who ordered those who could swim to jump overboard first and make for the land, and the rest on planks or on pieces of the ship. And so it was that they were all brought safely to land. They all survived. And that is what God is able to do when you give it over to Him. We may not always know how or when, or it may not come out how we want to. It may be on broken pieces. It could seem like a big mess, but remember, God took what looked like a big mess of suffering, betrayal, arrest, torture, crucifixion, and He used it all to bring us safety when He gave His life for us to be saved. Today, I encourage you to hold tight to God as you wade through life's trials. He's the one that can get us to safety on the other side.